Hello everybody and welcome back to Tolly Time. In this video I'm going to be showing you some products that are life changers. All of these I was going to do all my favorite skincare products, but in reality there are ones that I reach for more and ones that I reach for less, and they're all pretty good, the ones that I use, but I just want to show you guys the ones that really went ahead and helped me clear my skin. So I never had acne. I have pretty dry skin for the most part. You know, like I never was really acne prone, like unless I was on my period or something like that, but basically didn't have a lot of acne growing up. Really recently, like I would say 6 months ago, I started getting a lot of acne. It was a lot of cystic acne, not really hormonal, and it was really those painful, mean, big pimples. And I will insert pictures right here. And these are before pictures after I started using particularly the Drunk Elephant product, but all of these products I started using within the last 6 months, and they are game changers. If you guys want to see my skin right now, I understand that I am wearing makeup. I'm gonna get up close to the camera though, so you can see, like I have a little zit here, a little zit here. But basically, yeah, my skin is great now in comparison to what it was at before. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video because this is gonna be a quick one. This you've seen me use in a lot of videos. This is probably the only product I've been using for a long time, and this is the Embryolisse Late Cream Concentrate. I absolutely love this. I use this on a bunch of clients, and this is really just like a rich, beautiful moisturizer. If you are not dry skinned, I would only recommend to use this as a night cream. This is just a really awesome moisturizer, and if you have any dry patches, this is really good. It's a really good way to address dry patches without exfoliating, and I just love this. This is probably my favorite moisturizer of all time. And yeah, I just love this stuff, and it's just amazing. You can get it on Amazon. I will have all these products linked down below for you, as always. And this is a French cream, and it is just literally amazing. If you don't, like, go try it in a store and see why I like it so much. But it's literally the best cream ever. It's just such rich. Like, if you have dry skin, look no further. This is you will never buy another moisturizer again other than this one. It's absolutely just great. Anyways, the next product I want to talk to you guys about is the Boscia Tube Saki Splash Mask. I'm not going to go too into depth about this one because I did talk about this in a favorites video in my October favorites, which I will link down below. And yeah, this is just amazing. It's just like it's called their splash mask, but I love it just because it's just so like hydrating. Like, I just put it on at night and I just feel like if you want to know how to glow up, this is the product to glow up. Like, it just like gets rid of any dullness. It just makes your face feel like plump and like rejuvenized and just like amazing. No dry patches the next day. Like, it is just awesome, and one pump goes such a long way. Like, I use this almost every day, and I've had it for at least 5 months, and look how much I've used. It's amazing. And I got it in gratis, which was awesome when I was working at Sephora, which was meaning I got it for free while I was working there, which is absolutely awesome. So this is absolutely one of my favorite products. I saw it was on sale, and I'm like, fingers crossed it's not going on clearance, because if it's going on clearance and they're not selling it ever again, I'm gonna buy like 8 of them so I never run out of them, because my skin has never looked better. Anyways, so the next product, Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads. And when I was working at Sephora, I literally, like, all the people in skincare were vouching for this, saying this was amazing, and I got a bunch of samples of it before I left, and I decided to try it. These are really expensive. They're about $80 to $150 per box, depending on how big of a box you get. But when I was really getting the acne itself, like in the moment acne, I'm not talking about like post acne, kind of acne scarring stage, like during the acne, this is the only product that would actually address it super immediately. It was amazing. If you have sensitive skin, I would kind of stay away. They have a more gentle kind and a more aggressive kind and just a regular kind, but this literally, I swear, no product in my like, nothing could compare to this. And not only your skin feels so good if you use this every day, I don't use it every day because my acne is not as bad as it was now, and I just can't afford to be using this every day, even though it does make my skin feel absolutely phenomenal, and if I could use this twice a day, I would. But those are absolutely amazing. They really address the acne. They really smooth your skin. They really just kind of get the kind of good stuff in your skin. I don't know how to explain it. You kind of gotta go to Sephora and ask for a sample of it to see why it's so amazing. And so the next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is the Recipe Glow Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and I know this is a really popular mask. It has beautiful packaging, it smells amazing, and when you put this on, it does not feel like anything you would expect. The main ingredient is hyaluronic acid. I don't know if I said that right. I cannot pronounce I swear I cannot pronounce that word, but it is amazing. It really is, it's one of those masks that doesn't make your face feel like a baby's bottom, like it doesn't feel soft, like your face just feels like rejuvenated. Like I feel like I have like less lines and like less dryness, and I just feel like my face is more like plumped and refreshed. But this is a really, 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 oh, it smells so good, watery texture. Like it's very, very liquidy, very, very like thin, and a little bit goes a long way. It almost feels like an oil, but it's definitely not an oil. Like it does not feel, it feels like an oil in a gel had a baby, but not an oily feel. Very, very thin in consistency. It made my skin just like, because when I was putting too much oil, because using those two products that I just showed you, if I add too much moisture, my skin's gonna like freak out basically, and my skin is just gonna imbalance it. Like you don't want to be too dry, you don't want to be too oily. Just like if I were to, like, let's just say I had oily skin and I decided, hey, like, I don't want to moisturize because I'm so oily, then my skin would freak out and be like, oh my god, like I'm not getting any moisture, let me just produce more oil, and then you're in this vicious cycle. So basically same thing, like you want to just keep your makeup routine or your skincare routine like at a balance. Like if you're using 2 moisturizing products, the next 2 products you want to use are probably not, like this is a moisturizing product, but I would say this is definitely more of like a softening, plumping product versus like a moisturizing product. So yeah, that's amazing. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the star of the show, the #1 thing that got rid of my acne, and this is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, and that was a lot. Okay, so this has 12% AHA, which is an active chemical. Drunk Elephant actually has they have a face mask, and basically it's the highest AHA that Sephora sells. It's 25%. It makes your face feel like a baby's bottom. So basically, I never used to use serums, but a lot of, like literally everybody when I worked at Sephora was raving about this acne scarring fading product. I only got to this product months after I worked at Sephora, but I just want to say that that's how I did know it was so good. This is $90 bottle. There's only an ounce in here. That's not cheap whatsoever. But your acne scarring is usually forever. Like eventually it'll start fading, but it doesn't fade just like overnight. Like it fades over years. And I had all this like cystic acne, and cystic acne almost always scars, and it's, you know, those mean pimple, angry pimples that are not nice, and they just kind of leave like a purpley undertone. I will insert a picture right now of what I'm talking about. But basically this is like a fading product. It feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel drying at all. And basically it really, genuinely, no product has gotten rid of my acne scarring like this one. This one has made my skin absolutely amazing. Like if I didn't use this for a week, like I could see a difference. Like within a week of using this product, you will see a difference. I guarantee it. But it really just like gets rid of those scars. So then because a lot of times, like, okay, like you say like, oh, I used to have acne when I was younger, but now I don't anymore. I just have scarring. But you still want to wear makeup, even though the texture is not there. You just want to cover the pigmentation of like the dark purple, red, or whatever color it has left on your face. So basically what this does is it's almost like a brightener. Like it kind of just brightens it and brightens it and brightens it until it's not there anymore. And none of my acne scarring is 100% gone, but it is at least every single dot of acne scarring is at least 60% gone, if not more. So I just find this product absolutely amazing. I've never found a product that's even remotely comparable to it. You aren't supposed to use this. It's a night serum, meaning use it at night. They have one that's $80. It's meant for the day, but I'm like, for $10 more, I want the more aggressive thing. I can't, like, it's really expensive. I'm not buying the other one too. I would use it both all the time. I'm sure my skin would be even better then, but I really just wanted to emphasize how good this product is. If you could only get one product in this video and you have acne scarring, this is the product. It's absolutely phenomenal. Like, I just highly recommend it. And something I actually really like about it is that because I hate it when products have a lid popping off, because then it's like so likely that the lid can pop off and then it'll just pump out. But I like this because like it's $90. I cannot afford to spill any of it. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. If you guys, I know I don't do a lot of skincare videos on my channel, but if you wanted to see more of them, please comment that down below so I know to do more. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to see my skincare routine or any videos again related to skincare, just let me know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It's a big red button that says subscribe, so then you can always get notified when we have Tolly Time on my channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.